guys, March 3rd, 2025. Just anyway, I got a call from a customer I work for a bunch of times. She rents out this farmhouse. Last time I was over there was an issue with the heating pipe was all rotted out, drop below the circulator. Black pipe was leaking all over the place, and it was kind of like, you know, no concrete in the basement. Kind of a farmhouse, an old farmhouse. But anyway, they got two zones there on the front part of the farmhouse, and from what the guy says, one of the zones won't shut off. Keeps running. The light keeps staying on the circulator control. So I don't know if it's a bad circulator, a bad thermostat, or a bad thermostat wire maybe. Something's keeping that thermostat on. Sometimes what happens is the wires are switched, first and second floor. So if they got the second floor off and the first floor on, you know, second floor is running, the first floor, they got them switched. I've seen that before. We'll figure it out. Going over there now and give it the once over. We'll figure it out one way or another. Get it fixed. Right now they're both calling, and there's only one that's warm, so it's going to be airbound.
Okay.
So let me purge it,
okay,
get the air out, and then we'll see how that works.
So do nothing right now?
Do nothing right now.
Okay.
Alright, so they're both calling. The second floor one is not coming back warm. This one is coming back warm, first floor. It's probably just airbound. That's definitely working. That one's working. That one's working. It's pretty hot. Let's give them both a purge. Got a station right there. It's just dirt ground here. The farmhouse was fucking locked. Just dump it on the ground probably. Fucking no big deal. Gonna kill nothing, but yo, how you doing right out the side there? Alright, so I gotta shut both valves off. This is the pipe I changed last time. Oh, what did I change? I just changed, this is what was leaking last time I was here. I'll shut both off. This is not coming back warm. I got my hose on there, and we should be able to give it a purge. I don't know if this has got water in it. This might have water in it. I think it's frozen. There she comes. There's air in there. Definitely air. Well, on this you gotta be careful you don't give it too much, because give it too much and blow the relief valve. Gotta wash the relief valve with this PEX shit. But you want it to come back warm. It definitely got air in it. Oh well. You can hear the well. Could be the circulator's an issue too. Not circulating right. You can hear the air coming out of it. Hear the air coming out, see it? Airbound. Gotta get that out of there, it won't circulate. See the air? I don't think it's gonna blow the relief valve because we've got a shit ass well here. You wanna get it to come back nice and warm. Oh, she scared me, Mama. Oh yeah, she scared me. She gave me the old scare treatment. I'm gonna give it a good douche. Good doucheroo, Mama. Look at this fucking shit. Come on, guy. Well, it's a headbanger. See, it's building pressure. Gotta be careful. Sorry for the light, but... Alright, we should be able to shut this off and try it. See if that does it. Should probably do this first floor one too, seeing I'm here. Give them both a good how you doing while I'm here. Give them both a good how you doing. Seeing that there's issues. You could usually feel the air coming out with your hand. While I'm here, sorry for the light, I'm trying to put some light down here so we can see what the hell's going on. This one's got air in it too, I could feel it. I'm gonna get the air out of it to give it a good chance of survival. Keep an eye on this, don't build up too much pressure, because if it does, expansion tank should be okay. I don't see any signs of the relief valve blowing. Not a lot on the first floor. Let's try that out and see what happens. Open these two up. No flow checks. No. There's a flow check here and a flow check here. They both have flow checks in the circulators. It's going to take a little while for the water to circulate back, but I'll give it a chance. They're both coming back cold right now because I purged them gave them a good douche. We'll see what happens. They should start coming back warm. I'm gonna drain my hose. They're both calling for heat, first and second. When they start coming back warm, we'll shut one off and we'll make sure that the zones, this one's already coming back warm, the first floor. The second floor seems to be taking longer for some reason. Definitely had a lot of air in it. It was here like 3 months ago. First floor one's still calling, and it's down as low as it can go. first floor is still calling.
So second floor.
Second floor had air in it. Second floor had air in it, so I purged that. Yeah, so this one here might have a bad wire, thermostat wire. Well, you got it hooked wrong.
They do?
Yeah, should be red and white, not red and yellow. Maybe that's why.
You know what? I put white. I put the white. So I should have put red top and then the white in the middle.
Yeah.
That's my bad.
Well, let's switch it and see if that helps it, because right now it's still calling for heat, right? So, I mean, we're going to try the simple shit first.
Yep.
And then if that don't work, then we'll go to plan B. We'll go to plan A first. See if it should shut off, right? I mean, no, we are. Hey, friendly dog.
Oh yeah.
Alright, so we got the wires switched right, and we'll make sure. That shouldn't not be calling now. And they're backwards. Zone 1. Zone 1, they got them backwards. We'll make sure which one is zone 1. Wouldn't surprise me in this fucking farmhouse. So the one that's calling now is the second floor one, zone 1. Zone 1 is this one. And that's this one. Zone 1 is second floor. They're going backwards, so that should be working. Yeah. I mean, fucking, you know, these hackers, they do shit. You know, you'd figure 1 would be 1 and 2 would be 2, right? But no, that's not how it is. So zone 1 is second floor. I'm gonna leave it like that. I ain't gonna fuck around with it. I could just switch them here and make it would be better. Zone 1 should be zone 1 and zone 2 should be zone 2. I mean, that's how it should be. Right now they got the zone 1. Zone 1 is going to second floor. I'm gonna leave it. I'll write right on here. Instead of fucking around with it. Fucking dum-dum. It's coming back warm. I mean, it's taking a while, but she's struggling to come back. I don't know why. I don't know what's going on with the PEX pipe and what do they even have up there. It might be half-inch. Who the flip knows in this fucking house. Alright, so the first floor one is off. Alright, so according to the zone control, zone 1 is second floor. I marked it on the front. Okay. It is working the way it should now. But what happened was the second floor had air in it, okay. So even though it was calling, it wasn't warming up.
Okay.
It is working now. It worked good for a couple of months. I've been here like 3 months ago. I mean, sometimes there's air in there and it gets caught, you know?
Yep.
Alright, so this right here, we're going to put this to what, 70?
Yeah.
Let's put them both to 70 and try that. Well, and upstairs isn't warm enough yet, right?
Upstairs was 64.
Yeah.
Like when this was turned down.
Yeah.
upstairs was still set to 73.
Yeah.
But it was registering 64.
Yeah. Well, the heat will rise. You will get some out of it. So I want you to set them both for 70. Is that what you feel comfortable with?
Yeah.
And then we'll let it ride and we'll see what happens. But it should start working the way it should. Until I don't want to start doing all kinds of crazy shit over here unless I have to. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Do the minimal.
Yeah.
And
it's set to 70 right now.
all right. What's it up there now?
It's saying 65.
Yeah, it's going to take a little while. It is. It does seem to struggle on that second floor. I don't know where you having a problem with the heat on one end.
So that bedroom.
Let's take a look at it. Are all the registers open?
As far as I know.
The louvers?
Can the heat guy come in and check out in there?
Yeah, the louvers are open. My concern is that sometimes them louvers are closed. This might even be hooked up to the first floor. The way this house is piped off. You know what I'm saying?
That's the whole thing. It's like
this might even be hooked up to the first floor. I wouldn't doubt it in this place, this farmhouse. You see them dampers over there? You got to open them up. See them? Open them dampers up. Are they open? Yeah, I guess so. I guess they are open. You can feel it. It's coming out.
Yeah.
It had air in it for sure. So, I mean, a little bit of air, and it'll stop it from circulating.
Okay.
Yeah, as long as all the dampers are open. Let's give it some time. It's definitely warming up. It's one of those things that takes a while to work. You know, it's not instant.
Oh, yeah.
You know, and the thermostat, the batteries, yeah, this is a new one. Yeah,
yeah, that's the new one you put in. I even put in new batteries thinking...
Nah, they're good for a year anyway. When the batteries go low, that won't say 65 anymore. They'll go dead. Then you know the batteries. And if that's reading and you can see it says 65 or whatever, you know the batteries are good. Yeah.
Okay.
Well, let's let that go. I'm only down the street, so...
Oh, okay.
Old zones checked. Wiring, remark, zone control. Alright, let's give that some time and it should be better.